Hello students, question is from DSA. Question is, in C++ a function with the same name defined twice. Argument of the function match but their return type do not. So then which of the following is true? Okay, whenever in a C++ there are two or more functions can share the same name as long as their parameter declarations are different, okay, then it is called as an overloaded function. Okay, then it is called as overloaded. Function is overloaded and the function itself is called as function, the process is called as function overloading. Or you can say that overloading exists with difference in nature. What I mean by difference in nature is number of arguments of function with same name. Okay, so in the statement it is given as it has same name twice, but the argument are same, but the return types are different. But the number of argument, like the argument should be different, right? So it is not an overloaded function. Fine. So the overloading is possible only in this condition if it has the same it has a different like the parameters declaration should be different. Okay, so this is not an overloaded, so it will give a compile time error. Okay, so the answer is A. Thank you.